This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: aluminum wheels, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, traction control, air conditioning, and a limited slip differential. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.